Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really nice summery islandy tropical look using this beautiful palette. It's called the Beautyglazed strelitzia palette. I really love this palette. It's so beautiful. The packaging, everything is so gorgeous. You can create any kind of look you want, from day to night to tropical to bold to whatever you want. You will get it with this palette. This is how the palette looks. It is so gorgeous, like literally super gorgeous. You just want to slay because it's the summertime. This is the perfect look for you. Make sure you stay tuned to see how I created this video. And while we at it, don't forget to kind of hit that notification button so you can get more videos, more makeup tutorial, more review videos. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, so let's roll on to the video. My first transition color, I think I'm going to go into this dusty rose. Look at how pigmented that is. Use that color as my first transition color. Place this right on my crease. After that, I'm gonna go in with my second transition shade, nice reddish color. That's what I'm gonna use as my second, and I'm literally just tapping it, and look at how pigmented it is. So look at that. Yo, this is so bomb. Oh my god, look at this. It is so beautiful. I love how soft and blendable. So for my third transition shade, because you know how I like to add my third shade with this dark brown shade, it's called Cocoa. Normally brown shades on palettes don't normally show up on my skin tone. I'm gonna try this and see if it will show up. It doesn't show up that dark, but it's okay because I expected that. I wasn't expecting any less, but I really like how soft it is, so it's gonna blend that other shades without giving it a harsh color. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna be using this It's Cosmetic concealer. I just did a review on this concealer, so make sure you check that out. Yeah, baby, cool it temper. Baby, no debates. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, I really love this palette, like I really do. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this light blue color right here. Place that right on the front part of my lid. Look at this bad boy, bad money, baby. Me craze. Baby, cool it temper. Baby, no debate. With another brush, and this time I'm going to dip into this dark blue shade. I'm gonna place this right on the outer crease. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, migrate. Come to my place. Okay, I think that is it. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna dip into this lavender purple shade, and I'm gonna pop that right in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye, and I'll be right back in 1, 2, 3. I am back, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this blush. Is the LA color blush. Come to my place. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more color, and I'm gonna use this green color right here, and I'm gonna place that right under my eyes just to give it a little pop of color, since we are in summer. I get the high grade, make you no late, baby. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead with this lipstick from ColourPop. It's called Limbo. Let's have a good time. Touch me, I touch you time. Do me, I do you time. Baby, just make me feel fine. Oh, I am done with the lipstick, and now for my highlighter, I'm going to be using this Nicka K highlighter. It's a dual highlighting blush. And I think I'm gonna go for that darker shade just because, you know, I want to be bronze.
Making me feel a good time. Trapping, you know, be full time. Balanle, see balanle, balanle, she see balanle.
Okay, and this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Hi guys, so I am done with my makeup. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you go buy this palette. I did a review on this palette, so make sure you go check it out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.